Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. The straight line part 2. In this video, we are going to learn about equation of a straight line in different forms like slope form, slope intercept form, slope point form, 2 points form and intercepts form. First of all, slope intercept form. So we will find the equation of the straight line with slope m and having y-intercept c. So let L be a straight line with slope m and intersecting y-axis at b0 comma c. So this is line L and it is intersecting the y-axis at 0 comma c. Therefore c is the y-intercept here. Okay, so now let P x comma y be any point on the L. So I am taking the point P here. So this is P x comma y. Now what is the slope of this line? We know that the slope of the line formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is m is equal to, so what is y2 here? Can I write it as c minus y by 0 minus x? Okay, so you can write it as m is equal to c minus y by minus x. So if you cross multiply, you will get minus mx is equal to c minus y. So finally you can write it as y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the slope intercept form of a straight line where m is the slope of the line and c is the y intercept of the line. Okay, so we will do one problem on this. Find the equation of the straight line making an angle 120 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis measured counterclockwise and passing through the point 0 comma minus 2. So here they have given the angle it is making with positive x-axis they have given. Means this is inclination is given. So what is the slope formula? M is equal to tan theta, that is tan 120, and you can write 120 as tan 90 plus 30 degrees. So you can write this as tan 90 plus theta second quadrant, and when it is 90 tan will become cot 30 and it is tan is negative in the second quadrant. So minus cot 30 is nothing but minus root 3. This line is passing through 0 comma minus 2. So can I call it as 0 comma c? So it is intersecting the y-axis at minus 2. So c is equal to minus 2. Now we have the slope here and we have the y-intercept c here. So what is the slope intercept form? The required equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. That is y is equal to, what is m here? Minus root 3x plus c is minus 2. So if you bring all the terms to the left side, you will get it as root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 is the required equation. Okay. So now we learn about slope form. So here we are going to find the equation of the straight line passing through the origin with slope m. Now the equation of the straight line with slope m and having y-intercept c is y is equal to mx plus c. Just now we have learned that is it is slope intercept form. Now if y is equal to mx plus c is passing through the origin, then what happens? Just substitute. See now this is the equation and it is passing through 0 comma 0. Now here when this y is equal to mx plus c is passing through 0 comma 0, then substitute this y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 in this. So what you will get? 0 into m into 0 plus c, that is c is equal to 0. Consider this y is equal to mx plus c as equation 1. So now from equation 1, what is given? Y is equal to mx plus c. But what is c? C is equal to 0, mx plus 0. So y is equal to mx is the required equation of the line because here c is equal to 0. So that's why we have substituted c is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line passing through the origin with slope m. So any equation of this form, y is equal to 3x, y is equal to 99x, y is equal to minus 5x, all these will pass through the origin. whose slope is m here. So here the slope is 3, slope is 99, slope is minus 5. So when it is in this form, it is always passes through the origin. Okay. So next, slope point form. Here we are going to find the equation of a straight line with slope m and passing through the point x1 comma y1. So let the equation of the straight line with slope m is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. We know this. So from this what we can say, y minus mx is equal to c. Just I am finding the c value from this. I am assuming this as 1, equation 1. Now it is passing through the point x1 comma y1. Which line? This y is equal to mx plus c is passing through x1 comma y1. So can I write it as y1 is equal to m into x1 plus c. When this line is passing through this point satisfies the given equation. So y1 is equal to mx1 plus what is c value from equation 1? It is y minus mx. So this is from equation 1. Now can I write it as y1 minus y is equal to mx1 minus mx, or I can also write like this. If I send these right hand terms to left hand side and left hand terms to right hand side, so I can write like this: mx minus mx1 is equal to y minus y1. So if I take m common here, x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1. Therefore, the required equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is equation of a line which passes through the point x1 comma y1 and with slope m. Okay. We'll do one problem on this. Find the equation of the straight line which makes an angle 135 degrees with the positive x-axis in counterclockwise and passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. Here they have given the inclination. So theta they have given. So from this we can find out m, that is tan theta, that is tan 135. And here it is passing through one point they have given, x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 2 comma 3. So we know slope and we know one point. So we have to find the equation in slope point form. So let us find the slope first. Tan 135 you can write it as tan 90 plus 45. So tan 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant where tan is negative, and when it is 90 tan will become cot. So 45, cot 45 is 1. So what is the required equation now? Is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, what is y1 here? It is 3, m is minus 1 into x minus, x1 is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 will become plus 2. So y minus 3 is equal to minus x minus 2. So let us write it in the standard form. Bring all the terms to the left side. It will become y minus 3 plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So that is x plus y minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 equal to 0 is the required equation. Okay. Now we learn about 2 points form. So the equation of the straight line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 we are going to find out now. So let L be the straight line passing through A x1, y1 and B x2, y2. So let us say this is some point x1 comma y1 and this is some point x2 comma y2. Now we know one equation. Before that, what is the slope of this line? What is slope of L? That is m is equal to, we know that the slope of a line passing through 2 points x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now we know the slope of the line and assume that it is passing through x1 y1 only. So therefore we can say that it is passing through x1 y1 and with slope m. What is the required equation now? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 is equal to, what is the slope of this line? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now this can be written as y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1, or you can leave it in this form also. So this is the 2 points form. Now from this we can derive one more important concept, that is, suppose these 3 points a x1 y1, b x2 y2, c x3 y3 are collinear. Okay, then what is the equation of AB? What is equation of AB? AB, that is passing through x1 y1 and x2 y2. You can write it as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now, as they said that these A, B, C are collinear. Now I have found the equation of AB. So equation of AB, that C is lying on AB, means this C should satisfy this equation. Yes or no? Yes. So in place of X and Y, we can substitute X3 and Y3 as C is X3 comma Y3. Therefore, it is passing through X3 comma Y3. Therefore, what can we write in place of y? You can write it as y3 minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Let us simplify this. Y3 minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. So if you simplify, this will become y3 into x2 minus y3 into x1 minus y1 into x2 plus x1 y1 is equal to y2 into x. So in place of x we have to write x3. Okay, y2 into x3 minus y2 x1 minus y1 x3 plus x1 y1. Both sides x1 y1 gets cancelled. Now what is remaining? Bring all the terms to one side. So now you can write it as y3 x2 minus y3 x1 minus y1 x2 minus y2 x3 plus y2 x1 plus y1 x3 is equal to 0. Now let us take x1 common. Where is x1 here? Minus y3, and here you have y2. So can I write it as y2 minus y3? Now let us take x2 common. So what you have here? Y3, and here it is minus y1. So y3 minus y1 plus, now you take x3 common. What do you have here? If you take x3 common, minus y2 plus y1. So can I write it y1 minus y2 equal to 0? So what is this? Did you see this formula anywhere? Yes, this is nothing but the area of a triangle formula. So of course here half will be there. So if this is equal to 0, means the area of a triangle, ABC is equal to 0, because x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 are the vertices of ABC, vertices of the triangle ABC. So in order to prove that these 3 points are collinear, if we prove area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. So if the area of a triangle formed by the vertices is equal to 0, then those 3 vertices are collinear. So in order to prove that the given points are collinear, if we prove that the area formed by those 3 points equal to 0, then it will be sufficient. Okay, so next. So here clearly they have given, see, if 3 points A, x1, y1, b, x2, y2, c, x3, y3 are collinear, the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. Okay, next. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points 1 comma minus 2 and minus 2 comma 3. So here they have given 2 points, assume them as x1 y1 and x2 y2. So what is the equation? In 2 points form, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So that is y minus, substitute the x1, y1 values. Y1 is minus 2, that is minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Then y2 minus y1, 3 minus of minus 2, that is 3 plus 2. By x2 minus x1, minus 2 minus 1 into x minus x1, that is x minus 1. So that is y plus 2 is equal to 5 by minus 3 into x minus 1. Let's cross multiply, you will get minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 5. Let's bring all the terms together. So 5x minus 5 plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. That is 5x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0 is the required equation of the line. Okay. Next, we learn what is intercepts form. So the equation of the line with x-intercept A and y-intercept B. Now take a line, suppose that it is intersecting the y-axis, let us say it is B at 0 comma B and intersecting x-axis at A comma 0. Means here x-intercept is A and y-intercept is B. Y-intercept is B. Now we know that y-intercept is B. Now if we know the slope of this line, we can convert this equation. We can find out the equation of the line in slope intercept form. That is y is equal to mx plus c. So what is the slope of this line? Is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 0 minus b by a minus 0. That is minus b by a. So let us assume that this is equation of the line L. Now I want to find out the equation of L in slope intercept form. That is y is equal to mx plus c. That is y is equal to, what is m here? Minus b by a plus what is the y-intercept here? Y-intercept is b here. So in place of c I have to write b. Now y is equal to, divide every term by b. Divide both sides by b. So what you will get? Y by b is equal to minus b by ab plus b by b. This b gets cancelled. Here we have x also, mx plus c, x also we have. So what we have here, y by b is equal to minus x by a plus this is b by b. So this is 1 is equal to 1. Now let us send this x term to the left side. You will get it as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So this is two intercepts form. This is the equation of the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a is the x-intercept, b is the y-intercept. Now we will have a problem on this. Find the equation of the straight line which make intercepts whose sum is 5 and the product is 6. Let the intercepts be a comma b. Now what is given? A plus b is equal to 5, ab is equal to 6. So the sum is 5, the product is 6. Clearly the numbers are 2 comma 3. So here there will be two cases, like a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, or a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. So when you know the two intercepts, what is the intercepts form of an equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So let us substitute a and b values here. X by a, that is x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. So if you simplify, you will get it as 3x plus 2y by 6 is equal to 1. That is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6 is one equation. Next, if a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, it will be x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. That is 2x plus 3y by 6 is equal to 1. That is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Or you can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, the required equations are 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0, or 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, whose the sum of the intercepts is 5 and the product of intercepts is 6. Thank you for watching.